this is Michelle from Amy's Ace Hardware, and I wanted to talk to you about a new product that we're carrying in the store now. It is the Rustoleum's Cabinet Transformation Kit. Fabulous. There's so many options for what you can do with it. Kitchen cabinets, furniture, chairs, anything. Comes with the bond coat, which you can have mixed here in the store. The brochure gives you all the colors. Do not look on the top of the box. The colors in here are a way better representation. There's 36 colors, 35 colors. We chose the winter fog. It looks much more like this than it does the top of the box. They also have a color swatch, this an exact representation. There's also a glaze option, so you can see what it looks like with a glaze on it. The glaze does not come with the kit, but highly recommended if you want something really with a lot of depth to it. So the first thing that you do is you use the crud cutter deglosser, and this is a wonderful product. If you're painting any furniture, I would highly recommend this for anything. It takes care of grease and grime, and it melts away kitchen grease like nothing else. So the first thing you do is I wipe down the whole piece of furniture. This is a roadside piece. Looked horrible. You'll see the before picture. You take the crud cutter, put it on a scratchy pad. I scrub down the whole entire thing. Then I take a damp rag and I wipe off all the gunk. And keep wiping until your rag comes back clean. That's your first thing you want to do, is clean it. After that's dry, got a paint tray, my handy dandy roller. I really like this size roller and it works really well. The wonderful thing about this product too is I don't see any brush strokes or roller marks. It's like self-leveling. It's wonderful. So I just take the product after I've had it tinted at my local Ace, pour it into the tray. I took the brush and I cornered all the corners and all the things that were hard to get in with a roller. Rolled the whole entire thing. It was super fast. Not as fast as how fast I am in the video, but it is really super easy. You could do your whole kitchen in a weekend. So you put on the first coat, let it dry for 2 hours, and put on the second coat. If you're doing a light color, you might require a third coat. The dark colors will be a 2-coat coverage. After that dries, you have the option of doing a glaze if you want over the top of that. And then when that's done, you put on the protective top coat, the same way you put on the paint coat. If by chance it is a laminate or some other hard surface to coat, they have in the instruction manual a way to test for adhesion. If you think you have a problem, in the instructions, go ahead and follow that so you can find out that you do have indeed good adhesion. But it's a wonderful, self-leveling, hugely transformational paint. You can see the difference in just a few hours of what you can do. So head down to your local Ace. You can transform any space in under $100. And it's easy, anybody can do it. See you soon.